Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching and joining me today. I am going to do a quick demo with some Crafter's Companion Edgeables. So I have all four, I think it was 4 in a set. Floral Curves. This one is called Decorative Curves. Traditional Braces. And Modern Scallops. So they each come with three different edge decorations and then 3 different trims. So I want to try out a couple of these. I think I'm going to do Floral Curves and then also Modern Scallops. Yeah, I think I'll try those out. And then I have some papers over here, so let's kind of walk through this. I'm not exactly sure which direction I want to go but with the second one, but the first one I think I have figured out pretty well. I'd like to use this sentiment and then do some matting and layering, probably with yellow. And then I think my card will be 5x7 portrait with the green and pink with yellow on top. So that's what I want to do with Modern Scallops. Now Floral Curves, I want to try to be a little fancier. So I have a 5x7 landscape card, and then I have this red, green, and gold, this cute happy anniversary sentiment that I picked up on Amazon, and then this border from Anna Griffin. But I also had this from Our Home to Yours, but I think now I want to go with this happy anniversary because it's new and we always like to use our new stuff. So I'm going to do that one second, and I'll start off with this one that I kind of have a little more clearly laid out in my head. And I'm using my Empress die cutting machine over here. So let's just kind of get started. I think the first thing I want to do is my bottom layer, which is going to be green. So I need to cut this. Okay, so there is our first mediocre attempt at an edgeable. It's okay. I got some learning. There's a little bit of a learning curve. Let's see what happens when we, oh, I like these. These are kind of straight. Let's see what happens when we try it with some colors, with some deeper colors and the 5x7. So I think this time what I'm going to do first is trim the edge of my card, maybe. Okay, so this is our first attempt at the edgeables from Crafter's Companion. There is 4 of them all together. We used floral curves over here, and we also used modern scallops over here. And as you can see, we mixed our brands as usual. So we embellished it with this die from Amazon, and then also used some flowers from Crafter's Companion. No, I'm sorry, flowers from Anna Griffin. This ribbon is from one of the Crafter's Companion kits, you know, somewhere along the lines. But what we wanted to show today was the edgeables, and so this was our first attempt. Not terrible. These look all right. They look pretty good. If you enjoyed this video and got some tips and would like to see more, please hit the like and subscribe button, and then hit also notifications, and we'll let you know when we post new videos. Again, thanks for watching. It's just Crafty Chantel.